back to the channel. Alright, y'all, today we coming to pick up this car over here. This Chrysler. I don't know what year it is yet, but we gonna see what it do. What year this is? 2008 Chrysler 300.
Okay. Thank you, man. No problem. We're gonna want to get out of here. All right.
Load it up.
I'm waiting for you to move because I'm gonna back my trailer up to it.
Alright, y'all, we got it hooked up. Well, we're pulling it up. Babe, hold on.
What?
I think it's over too much.
That won't turn the wheel.
Let me see.
Yeah, that won't turn the wheels.
You couldn't. Okay. You cut it. You gotta cut it harder than that, don't you? I might need to pull the ramp over some, huh? Yeah, cut it hard. You got to cut it. Let me pull this ramp over just a little bit. We on the edge of this ramp.
How you gonna do it?
Huh?
When I get it on the trailer side, I'm gonna cut it again and try to walk.
Okay. Okay, we on over here. All need to do it straight back. These kids think they getting coconuts off this tree. Pull her on up, yeah. That dovetail telling. Well, I need some air in this time, this trailer right here.
Yeah, put something in there.
Well, you all the way on, but you gonna go straight back? Cause you ain't got much room to cut it though. It's about to come off the edge in the front. Straighten it back up. It just go straight back cause you cleared the fender here. All right. Yeah, a little tight one though. How far you going with it? Alright, y'all. Oh, we got it on. Let me see here. I know they glad to get it going. I've been sitting there for a while, y'all. My dude got no cowboy boots. I hear like he working.
Got LED light right there by the floor. There it is. Y'all already know what we do. We're gonna get them.
Alright, y'all, we got the car to the house. So they told us they think it's a blown head gasket. So I'm about to do a pressure test on it and see what's going on with it. I just put some water in here because I ain't gonna waste no good antifreeze. You feel me? So I'm holding the water here quick. Pressure test. Oh shoot, if I can. Gotta get some water in the system. I'm trying to mind my garden thing here. If I don't waste it all. Hey. I'm leaking out. It's going down quick.
I don't see no.
It just had to. Cause this is a 2-gallon container that I got here. I was just trying to get it up to the full mark for right now. Dang. She thirsty. Alright. There's some leaking and some I'm wasting. That should be enough right there. Come on. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna pump this up. Just the cap pressure. Pump it up to, cap says 18 pounds. So that's what we're gonna pump this up to and see if it holds. If it don't hold, that means you got a leak in the cooling system. I hear something. You hear it? Hold on. Did you come out here? Hold on. Let me do this over. All my efforts. Sound like I heard something coming off the top, like it was feeling real good. 18. Pressure on this cat right here. Come on. Right here. It's dropping down so fast I can't get it up. Okay, we're at 18. Whew. You see anything leaking back there? Oh, I see something leaking right here in the front here. Probably the water pump. You see it leaking?
This is water housing.
Hold on, get the light.
Them things always go bad.
Oh, this housing, you see it? Point, get the camera on it. The housing is leaking.
They're leaking out of two spots. They're leaking right here.
Well, right there and where else?
Look like it's coming from up under it.
Okay. Can you check around that intake down here now? Because I know it was wet. It seemed like on the back. I don't know how I got to pump it back up because it went down so quickly. It got to have some type of... See the water coming back on back that way. Pumper about to wear me out. So right now I see 2 leaks.
What a second.
From this cap, because I can hear something come from this cap. And you get that mirror because I want to look behind that engine. What you up at? You at 18?
16.
Yeah, it's going down fast, huh? Look, is the water still in it? It should be though, because it ain't leaked out that fast. There's definitely leaking right there. You see it? Let me go around the back. Hold on, let me just
look back there.
Hold the camera for me. Had a look with a mirror back here, y'all. You gotta keep the pressure off of it, baby. Oh no. I don't see nothing leaking, but it look rusty. Like water has been leaking back there. Is that water I waste over here?
Yeah.
Okay. So, well, maybe it is. It's definitely got something going on. Look at that oil. Milky. It look like chocolate milk. Oh, snap. Okay, if I can get it. So you probably just have to replace the engine.
Might as well.
Yeah. So, guys, look like we just gonna replace this engine on this one. Because, probably from that leak right there, it probably ran hot and blowed the head gasket and got water mixed in with the oil. So therefore, this engine is a done deal because it had like, what, 199,000 miles anyway? 198,000. So yeah, guys, we're going to drop it in. And when we do, y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe on the video and share it.